Hi students, in this session I am going to discuss about the chapter sets. Okay, already you know about the sets in the 10th standard, but it is also given in the JEE mains examination also. That is the reason in this session I am going to take the one of the easiest and interesting chapter sets. Let us see the sets. And what is the definition of set? The set is nothing but the well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined collection of objects means whatever the collection we are taking, it must be defined. For example, I am going to collect the red roses. It means you will collect only red roses. Then randomly if I choose one of them, I can say it is the red rose or not. So what is mean by well defined? If you are able to say it is belongs to that collection or not, then we call it as well defined. Okay, so that is the one of the important words in the sets. Not only we are collecting the objects with some definition. Okay, and note here I am going to discuss few important points about the sets. The objects, whatever the objects were collected in the set, they are called elements. So not only the objects, we say they are elements. Next, in general, the sets are denoted by capital alphabets A, B, C and so on. And whatever the elements we are using in the set, they are denoted by small letters. So the elements in the sets are denoted by small letters. Okay? And the number of elements in set A is called cardinal number of A. Cardinal number of A, and it is denoted by n of A. Okay? Next, the elements in set are written in the flower brackets. We are writing in the flower brackets. For example, the natural numbers from 1 to 5. Then immediately we write in the flower bracket like this. While you are writing in the flower bracket, remember the elements should not be repeated and the order of the elements is not having the important. Okay, so this is the these are few important points about the sets. Now let us move to the next concept, that is notations. This is very, very important. Here I am going to discuss few notations which are useful in the forthcoming chapters probability also. That is the reason I want to introduce here only. Now let us see one by one. First of all, complementary of A. All of you know very well, not in A. Complementary means not happened A, not occurring A, and which are denoted by either A power C or simply we can say A bar. Next, A but not B. We say exclusively A, and it is denoted by A minus B. Next, A or B or both, either A or B, we say A union B. If I need both A and B, then we represent A intersection B. And it is neither A nor B. A bar intersection B bar. Now if I take three sets and I want either A or B or C or all the three, then we represent in A union B union C. Now in the three, if I want A and B and C, all the three, then we represent A intersection B intersection C. Next, among the three, I want only A but not B and C, and we can denote it as A intersection B bar intersection C bar. A intersection B bar intersection C bar. It is called A but not B and but not C. Okay, now after knowing the notations, how they are represented in the Venn diagrams, I would like to show by Venn diagrams. Let us see the Venn diagrams. Now, first one, the set A. In general, the Venn diagrams, what we denote? We denote the universal set in the rectangle and the sets in the circles. let me explain one by one. This is called universal set. Next, and here it is set A. So in the Venn diagrams, what we show, the shaded portion is the required. Shaded portion always represent the required. Here I want set A, therefore I shaded the circle. This circle is now A. Next, I want A complementary. A complementary means this is universal set. All of you know A complementary means not A. Therefore, this is A complement. This means remaining shaded portion. Whatever the portion we are taking, it is called A complementary. Next, if we take another one, that is A subset of B. A subset of means whatever the elements we are taking in A, they must be in B. Or the elements of B are collected. Few of the elements of B are collected and separately we are forming set. We say it is subset of B. So here I am going to show A subset of B. In what way we are representing in the Venn diagrams. Let us see. This is the first of all universal set. And this is set B. Now A is a subset of B, therefore you have to inscribe the set A in the B. That yellow color shaded portion is called A. Next, I would like to show A intersection B is equal to null set. It means there is no common area or common portion or common element. In what way we are going to represent it? Let us see. Again it is universal set. Now I am taking A and also B. Now here if there is any common area, then we say joint sets. These two are not, joints are not intersecting. Therefore we say disjoint sets. That is the reason A intersection B becomes null set. It means there is no common area. Okay. Next, another one, A minus B. A minus B also known as exclusively A. Exclusively A but not B. In what way it is represented? This is again universal set and I am taking, this is A, this is B. Here this complete circle we say A, but which is occurred in B also. So this portion is neglected. Therefore the remaining portion is called A minus B or exclusively A. Okay, next. One more. That is A intersection B. How the A intersection B occurs? We say joint sets or intersection circles. This is universal set. I am taking two circles as A and B. Then the common portion means this is the common portion. That is the reason we say it is A intersection B. Okay. Now let us see one more. That is A union B. A union B means either A or B or both. Let us see. This is universal set and A and B. It means we have to shade the complete two circles. Then we say it is A union B. Okay. Next, it is A bar intersection B bar. We say neither A nor B. Neither A nor B. Let us see. This is universal set and these are two sets A and B. The remaining portion is called neither A nor B. Already I told you, whatever the shaded portion, that will be the required. So these are the few Venn diagrams. I would like to conclude this class here only. Okay, thank you.